In a world where security matters more than ever, wouldn't it be great to protect your home or property without wires, Wi-Fi, or power outlets? Introducing the smarter way to protect what matters, 4G solar-powered security cameras with built-in SIM connectivity. Wherever you are, from remote farmland to off-grid cabins, these cameras connect instantly using the built-in 4G SIM. No setup hassles, no external routers, just install it and let the sun provide power to the camera. Rain or shine, your camera stays charged and on guard. These cameras are equipped with a built-in 4G virtual SIM, vsim, and come with free data. While some other cameras may require data subscription plan, but this camera operates entirely data-free, no additional charges. This camera offers maximum convenience by connecting directly to your mobile phone. With built-in two-way audio, you can communicate in real time, whether it's with loved ones, delivery personnel, or even to deter intruders caught on camera. The PIR sensor enables motion tracking, ensuring you receive instant alerts whenever movement is detected on camera. In addition, the built-in AI detection can accurately identify both humans and objects, enhancing security and reducing false alarms. With intelligent motion tracking, night vision, and instant mobile alerts, you're always in control. Monitor live footage, adjust your view, and review recordings all from your phone, no matter where you are. These cameras are ideal for off-grid locations such as cabins, farmhouses, fish ponds, and riverside properties, anywhere without access to electricity. Experience powerful, portable, and connected security. To know more about these products, you can check out our website or send us an email inquiry.